Okay, so I have replaced my 13 to 28 tooth freewheel with an 11 to 32 tooth freewheel. And this will be a little test just to kind of give an idea of the difference. So right now I'm starting off in 7th gear, which on the new freewheel is a 28 tooth. So that would be the same as the highest gear on the original freewheel. So this is going to be a comparison. "25, 26, 27 miles an hour." Okay, I have lost my pedaling. I lost resistance at about 27 miles an hour. That's pretty good. It's always seemed lower than that as far as speed goes. All right. 19 miles an hour, 7th gear, 25, 26. All right, I have lost my pedal. Kind of hard to pedal that quickly at that speed. So now I'm going to change it up to the new 8th gear. Now I'm in 8th gear. That's the new 11 tooth. I'm in PAS 9, by the way. 30.5 miles an hour, still pedaling. Big difference. Let's try that again. "30 miles an hour. "30.8 miles per hour. Oh, my legs are still burning. Ooh, obvious difference there.